Good morning, everyone. Our project is IoT based weather adaptive street lighting system. Our teammates are Nityapriya, Vignesh, and Yarni, and myself, P.vishal. And WOKWI will be explained by Nityapriya.
The name of our project is IoT based weather adaptive street lighting system. The huge amount of electricity power in many countries is consumed in lighting of the street lights. For the path of street which are not in use and turn on daylight for the parts of the street which are almostly used when it starts. So for the project we implemented in 3 stages. One is we provided IO device connection and IoT device stimulation in the WOKWI interface, and then we will store the data or certain to receive the data from the IBM IoT device from the IBO IoT Watson platform, and then we developed a UI interface with the help of Node-RED server. So going on with the first part of the project, we make use of WOKWI online interface to cover the part of the project and also to make the connections between the required devices. And so to simulate them online interface is divided into 2 pins, left pin and right pin. Left pin is dedicated for coding and right pin is dedicated for connecting with devices and stimulating some devices. So coming to the code part of the project, first we start off by including different libraries that are required for the project. Here we need Wi-Fi, hence we included Wi-Fi.h library for Wi-Fi, and then we also need a library for MQTT connection, which is a communication protocol. So we have used the PubSub client.h library for the same. So apart from including them in the code, we will also have to add them in the library manager. So go to the library manager page and then you can add them by searching the name in the plus symbol. So add on and define the variables and we also have defined connection of LDR and provided variable to know the earlier reading, as well as then we have defined other threshold values and LED brightness, which is a variable that stores the LED brightness values. And then coming back to the go ahead with the callback method. Callback method is where we actually define the subscribe topic and message payloads, which we will be discussing further. So we define the credentials of IBM accounts. So here we have credentials of the IBM accounts in which we create device. So we have defined the organization ID and device type, and the device ID type is generally the name of the device, and a token is an authentication token which is unique, and have defined the data and the other floats, as well as we define a conditional loop. If the received comment like say light off, then the LED will off, and so on it works. In the device part, we are using 3 types: LED, ESP32 and LDR sensor connected.
This is IBM IoT Watson platform. In this, we are creating a device so we can able to connect WOKWI and IBM IoT platform to read the value in here. So first we need to add a device, and then we need to add a device type. First we have to write a device. We can type a street, and then next we are typing a device ID 123, and then we giving next, and then device information is not necessary, so we will give next, and then gateway is not necessary, so give next, and then security we need authentication again 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so we will give 8 numbers, so we give next, and then we will finish, though we can finish the add device. So we will see a device credential. So this is need to be copy and paste in a notepad, so you can use for future purpose. So we can come back, and the device is added in there, so we can copy the device credential into the WOKWI, so we can able to connect WOKWI and IBM IoT platform. This is IBM IoT platform.
Node-RED. In Node-RED, first we need to download Node.js, and in command prompt type Node-RED and start work. In the Node-RED, first by clicking manage palette, we need to add nodes and add 3 IBM IoT out. In IBM out node, we need to add API key which is generated in IBM Watson node and change the details in it. And next 3 debug is added and 6 button is added, light on, light off. and then go to dashboard and start off and on the light.